We have Mr. Sirur with us, and the questions that we have for you, sir, is which competencies would you like to see in a DNI champion?
I would like to see a champion, diversity champion, as a six, what do you call, six black belt, Six Sigma black belt in life skills. So there are 10 life skills which we are not taught in the school at all. But now I think all your champions should be masters at dealing with all these 10 life skills defined by UNESCO. So please go ahead and do it. Thanks.
Okay, that's pretty well. Second question for you, sir, is what would you think are the benefits for diversity and inclusion within an organization? Yes.
Yeah, first of all, the benefit is that diversity is nothing but something we have to deal with, because nobody really, what shall I say, lives the Constitution of India, which is equality, the right of equality. And the moment we start living that right of equality, when everybody is an equal, you would definitely see a lot of benefits, because everybody is on a level field and everybody is contributing equally, not as a loser, not as something as a victim, but as a victor, or rather a winner. So thanks.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.